If you want to install a package on Gentoo, it's basically just emerge --ask --verbose. And you don't have to use these either. These are just like usually what other package managers give you by default. If you don't want to type all this out, you can use -av is the shorthand. I have a video on that if you want to see all the shorthands of the flags. You just use emerge -av and then the name of the program that you want to install. I'm going to use nvtop as an example here. And I'm going to just say yes to pretend because I don't actually want to emerge this because I already have it installed. But yeah, just emerge -av and then the program name. Now I see people using the this right here, this prefix, which is the category of the program or package. You don't actually need to specify this. Portage can infer this, so you don't have to type sys process or the category that's going to be behind the package name. You don't have to type it. If it can't infer what the category is, it will give you a list of like different options. Basically, it'll be like, do you mean this one, that one, all that. It's important to know what the world set is, which you can reference by @world. This is usually done in an update, like emerge avudu @world is usually like reference. The world set is anything you just emerged, like this right here, nvtop, emerging that. It'll add it to the world set to say you've manually installed it. You want to keep it installed, basically. So anytime you want to uninstall a package, you need to remove it from the world set and then clean it. Basically, you don't just uninstall it. You need to deselect it from the world set. So if I do nvtop, it will remove it from the world's favorite file, the world set, and then you run the emerge --dep clean, and that will clean it from the system. Now you're probably wondering, what if I want to install a package temporarily, meaning I don't want to keep it installed, or I might not want to keep it installed? How would I do that? You basically just do emerge, but then you use the --1 shot, and then you put in the name of the program. And I'm going to pretend here. And it installs it, but if it's not added to the world set, it will not add it. It will just leave it out of the world set, meaning the next emerge --dep clean will clean up whatever you've installed with one shot or like anything that's not in the world set. Okay, now let's say you've emerged something and you want to keep it installed now. You don't want it to be cleaned up on a dep clean. What you need to use is emerge --no replace, and this will add a package to your world set without having to re-emerge it. If you were to not use no replace and you would just re-emerge the program again like this, you would have to recompile it again. But if you use --no replace, then it will add it to the world set without having to recompile it or re-emerge it.